So what is copywriting? If I ask you this question, you're going to give me a different answer from what the next person is going to give me. And the two of you may be correct, but that is where the whole confusion comes in. A lot of people think copywriting is advertising, some people think it's marketing, some people think it's sales closing, some people think it's just a content type. And that is a whole lot of confusion you're seeing there. So in this video, I'm going to make sure you understand them, even though I have more than one definition of what copywriting is. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. So the first thing you need to understand is that copywriting is not copywriting. How does it even sound? Copywriting is not copywriting. So this one, copyright, is like when you have a legal right to a product like book, video, or anything at all. Do you understand? Meanwhile, copywriting simply means persuasion. That is my definition number one. Copywriting means persuasion. Second definition is copywriting is the act of writing words to persuade people to give you money. It's actually turning words into cash. And no, I know what you're thinking right now. You don't have to be a writer before you become a copywriter. Do you understand what I'm saying? You don't have to be a writer to become a copywriter.
Are you serious?
Copywriting is not about writing. Copywriting is about closing. And when I say closing, I mean closing sales. When you're closing sales, you are generating more revenue. So copywriting focuses more on how to make the next person give you money. And before you would have done that, you have communicated, you have influenced, and you have presented an offer. Copywriting has to do with communication first, influencing the person, and then presenting an offer. And when you present that offer, you go ahead to close that person. So copywriting doesn't have much to do with writing. It has more to do with persuading. Do you understand? Copywriting is 20% writing and 80% research. So you have to understand this, and it will help you become better as a copywriter. So if you are not a writer, you have nothing to worry about at all, because it is not about writing. If it was about writing, then all the people who are writers would have been able to make more money. Now, listen. One of the skills on earth that is least understood and least appreciated is copywriting, because a lot of people get confused. What are you talking about? A lot of entrepreneurs want to close more sales, but they don't know or understand what copywriting is. When you talk to them, they'll be like, what's copywriting? And you'll be wondering, what are you doing? You see them spending money on adverts. They will spend money to create content, but they don't even want to spend a dime to copywriting, and that is because they don't understand it. But when you understand this, you will know that it is actually the most important skills in business. Now imagine gathering people and bringing them to a whole lot of, maybe a group, to a product, and you don't know how to influence those people and send your offers and close them. You will not make a sale. And as an entrepreneur, you agree with me that the most important part of any business at all you're doing is to actually close sale, because when you close a sale, you have made money. So hi, is this your first time of coming to our YouTube channel? You're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell icon, because more videos on how to make money online with different skills are coming your way, and you don't want to miss it. If you are also new, go ahead and drop a comment saying I am new. I will send you a package you like, because that is how I welcome my new subscribers. So go ahead and drop a comment as we go back to the video. Why is copywriting very important? Listen, copywriting is important because you are going to be communicating, and in this our time and days, communication equals wealth. The more people you are willing to communicate to, the more chances you have of closing and making money from them. I used to say to my students that anyone who will lead in this industry must be generating leads. In marketing, leads are those who are interested in the product you want to sell. So if you want to be the one ahead, you must be gathering these leads so that you lead. Do you understand? As simple as that. So if you are communicating, if you're talking, if you are influencing, if you are closing sales, the more, the more money you are going to make. So it is important because you have to build a relationship with your prospect. You are not going to just force money out of them if they don't get to trust you, to like you, or to even know you. So this is important for you to understand that it is something that you need to learn. It is really highly very important for your business, because it is going to put your prospect first. They will feel like you are helping them, and the reason why they will feel like that is because you're presenting the benefit of your product, not just the features. You are presenting the benefit of your product and how it can help them. Are you getting it? So copywriting is that very important. And why does business need it? Businesses need copywriting or copywriters, because if a copywriter comes and see your offers, they can tweak it and make it better for you to increase your sales. And every entrepreneur on earth, what they want is profit. They want more money. So you need to understand these skills, because these skills is everything you need to actually start making more money. So if this is your first time of hearing it, I know you are excited, and this is what I have to say to you. Every single thing you've bought on earth, anywhere at all, was influenced by a copywriter.
Are you serious?
That product you bought, check it, whether clothes, whether shoes, whether anything at all. Even the food you bought, somebody presented it in a way that it got your appetite. Do you understand? So everything everywhere is copywriting. Check it. You are walking on the street, you see a billboard, you are doing this, you see an advert on TV, you see an advert, you are watching a video on YouTube, you see an advert. Everybody is trying to sell something to you. Do you understand? So copywriting is literally everywhere, and yet it's not many people that understand it. So when you understand that this is a skill that is literally everywhere, you should just sit down, relax, and master and learn it. Do you understand? The focus is to learn and become learned about it. Master it. Mastery is key. So you don't just jump into it and decide that I'm a copywriter. No, you have to sit down and learn. So that is what we are focusing on, and I believe you have learned something in this video. So I want to leave you with that. So share this video with a friend of yours, and do not forget to like it as well. If you're looking for someone to hold your hands in copywriting, you can join my academy, where I teach a lot of people how to write copy by using the link in the description, and you join us in our WhatsApp group. I hope you get that. I believe you have been able to learn something in this video. Don't forget to tell me what you learned in the comments as I see you next time. I remain Kingsley Nemeka, and see you soon.